Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's Tasty Tuesday recipe is glazed carrots. I made mine sugar-free. You can use regular sugar. This is one of my favorite side dishes with chicken. I don't know why, but I really like it with chicken. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. There are several ways to make matchstick carrots. You could just cook them in boiling water for 6 to 7 minutes, or 4 to 5 for al dente. To saute them, you cook them in butter with water and spices like honey, nutmeg, parsley, and you would saute that in butter for 3 to 4 minutes or until tender. And then you add your spices. Today I'm going to make glazed. And what you need for this is 4 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm using this Splenda because I'm diabetic, but you can use regular brown sugar. 1 package of the matchstick carrots. I always have these on hand because the baby absolutely loves snacking on them. And sometimes I have a whole lot left over, and this is one of the things that I do that I can eat. Some salt and pepper, parsley flakes, and a medium saucepan. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is melt the 4 tablespoons of butter over a low heat, and then I'll be adding in the 1/4 cup of the brown sugar, and I'll stir that up real well, and we'll get started from there. My brown sugar, once the bag has been opened, I keep it in a Ziploc bag, and this will stay fresh forever. I mean, I've already had this sit for over 6 months, and it does not get hard. So yeah, little handy tip. Okay, the butter's melted. And there's the brown sugar. Now I'm going to add the matchstick carrots. And that's pretty much just one big package. There's the parsley. And I don't like a lot of pepper. You can put on as much as you like. And there's my sea salt. And I just turned this flame down to about as low as I can get it without it going off. And I'm going to keep an eye on this, and I'm going to keep stirring. And this is going to cook for 10 minutes. I'm going to put a lid on it to keep the moisture in. And if it starts to look like it's burning, then I'm going to just add just a little bit of water. And we'll be back at the end of the 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is done. And you can see that boiling away. And I did add just a little bit of water because there is one thing I despise, and that's the taste of burnt butter. I really like these with chicken. I don't know why. I mean, I've had them with beef and I've had them with pork, but for some reason I just love these with chicken. And it doesn't matter if it's fried chicken or baked, or I just like the two flavors together. Okay, I'm going to let these cool down and give them a taste. Okay, it's cooled down a bit, so I'm going to give this a little taste. Oh, that's perfect. Not too sweet. They're not too, they're kind of a crisp tender. But, yeah, they are a great side dish. Easy to make. And definitely has a unique flavor that I just adore. And there's no sugar. So if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And happy creating, everyone.